Hello students, how are you all? I wish you all are healthy, fit and fine and staying at home. Today I welcome you all to class first. Today we'll study math. We will continue with our chapter 1 numbers 1 to 9 with our new topic concept of zero and ordering. We will start with the first topic, concept of zero. As you all know, we don't say nothing for numbers. For numbers, we say zero and write it as this. 0 is smaller than 1. For example, there are 5 dogs. When we subtract one of the dog, there are 4 dogs left. When we subtract one more, there is only 3 dogs left. When we subtract one more, there are 2 dogs left. When we subtract one more, there is only 1 dog left. And when we subtract the last one, do you know how many dogs are left? Excellent! There are 0 dogs left. When 0 comes before a number, it does not have any value, but it has value when it comes after a number. Such as when 0 is written before 1, it is the number 1. But when 0 is written after 1, it becomes 10. So the value of 0 changes. When 0 is written before 2, it is number 2. And when it is written after 2, it is 20. When 0 is written before 3, it is number 3. And when it is written after 3, it is the number 30. When 0 is written before 4, it is the number 4. And when it is written after 4, it is 40. When 0 is written before 5, it is the number 5. And when it is written after 5, it becomes number 50. When it is written before 6, it is number 6. And when it is written after 6, it is 60. When it is written before 7, it is the number 7. And when it is written after 7, it is the number 70. When it is written before 8, it is the number 8. And when it is written after 8, it is the number 80. When it is written before 9, it is the number 9. And when it is written after 9, it is 90. Now we will start our next topic, ordering. The number can be written in increasing and decreasing order. Increasing order. The number written from smaller number to the bigger number is in increasing order. For example, there is one lion and there is second lion, then the third lion and the fourth lion. So as you all can see, this is the smallest lion, then this is the bigger, then this is more bigger, and then this is the biggest lion. So it is from smaller to the bigger lion. So they are in increasing order. Decreasing order. The number written from bigger number to the smaller number is in decreasing order. For example, there are 4 balls. 1, 2, 3 and 4. As you all can see, this is the biggest ball. Then this is the smaller. Then this is smaller and then it is the smallest. So they are from the biggest to the smallest and they are in decreasing order. Just like animals and objects, numbers can also be written in increasing and decreasing order. Now let us do our first question. Arrange the numbers in increasing order. Our first question is, we have 4 numbers, 4, 7, 3 and 9. We have to arrange them in increasing order. So The first smallest number is 3, then 4, then 7 and 9. In our next question, we have 4 numbers 2, 9, 5 and 3. So the increasing order will be 2, 3, 5 and 9. In the next question, there are 4 numbers 1, 6, 4 and 7. So the increasing order will be 1, 4, 7 and 6. No, it is 1, 4, 6 and 7. Okay. In our next question, we have 4 numbers 6, 1, 8 and 7. So the increasing order will be 1, 6, 7 and 8. In the next question, we have 3, 7 and 2 and 4. So the increasing order will be 2, 3, 4 and 7. Now let us do our second question. Arrange the numbers in decreasing order. In the first question, we have 3, 7, 5 and 8. So the decreasing order will be 8, 7, 5 and 3. Why so? Because 8 is the biggest number, then 7, then 5 and the smallest is 3. In the next question, we have 4 numbers 6, 1, 3 and 5. So the decreasing order will be 6, 5, 3 and 1. In the next question, we have 1, 6, 8 and 4. So the decreasing order will be 8, 6, 4 and 1. In the next question, we have 4 numbers 4, 2, 9 and 1. So the decreasing order will be 9, 4, 2 and 1. In the next question, we have 7, 2, 4 and 6. So the decreasing order will be 7, 6, 4 and 2. Very good. Now I'll give you all the homework. You all have to do it by yourself and practice it well. So the first question for our homework is arrange the numbers in increasing order. So the first question is 7, 5, 2 and 9. You have to write the correct increasing order. The next question is 4, 6, 8 and 1. Write it in the form of increasing order. Next question is 3, 2, 4 and 5 and you have to write in the correct increasing order. And next question is 6, 8, 5 and 1. You have to write the correct increasing order. And the last question is 5, 4, 9 and 7. So you have to write the correct increasing order. The second question for our homework is arrange the numbers in decreasing order. The first question is 1, 5, 2 and 3. You have to write the correct decreasing order. The second question is 4, 6, 1 and 8. You have to write them in correct decreasing order. The next question is 7, 2, 5 and 1. So you have to write them in correct decreasing order. The next question is 3, 6, 7 and 4. So you have to write it in the correct decreasing order. The next question is 2, 8, 6 and 9 and you have to write it in the correct decreasing order. Now, thank you so much. I hope that you all understood it well, and with this we end up our topic. So, bye-bye. Thank you.